Welcome students to Nidhi Sharma computer classes. So here today I will show you the demonstration of mail merge. Okay, that means today we are going to perform mail merge practical. This is for class 6th. So let's start our practical. For performing mail merge you need a Microsoft Word document. Okay, so for opening Microsoft Word document you have to go on search and then you have to type Microsoft Word. Okay, after typing Microsoft Word you will find the Microsoft Word version like this and the symbol of Word is W. Okay, so maybe in your laptop or computer or phone the version of Microsoft can differ. Here I am using 2010. In your laptop or your phone it can be higher version or it can be lower version also, but this mail merge function is available in every version. Okay, so after clicking this you have to click open. Okay, here I have written this letter, but when you will open that thing you will get a blank document. In that blank document what you have to do is you have to type a letter like this. This type of letter you can write from any English textbook or you can type this letter from your computer book. In activity section this letter is given, so you with some modification or changes you can write this letter. So first of all you have to type a letter like this. After typing letter you will find you have to save this letter. For saving this letter you have to click on file and you have to go on save. Okay, in save here it is already saved, so what option you will get I am telling that you have to go on save, then you will find this type of window. Here you have to give a name to your document, so I have given mailmerge.docx. okay, this is the docx tells that this is a document. Okay, then click on save, so your document will be saved with this name mailmerge.doc. okay, after doing this you have to go on mailing tab. So these are the tabs: file, home, insert, page layout, references, mailing, review, view. These are the tabs and this is the ribbon area, and these are the group: clipboard, font, paragraph, styles. These are the groups. So where we have to go? We have to go on mailings. Okay, click on mailings. Now I want to tell you what is mail merge. Mail merge means it is a facility in Microsoft Word that allows you to send the same letter to many people. For example, if you are if somebody is having wedding at home, so then they have to send the invitation letter to all the relatives. Similarly, if you are having your birthday party at your home, then you will invite your friends. So what mail merge is doing is in this we are having a letter and this common letter will go at different addresses. We will change the addresses. So for that we have to maintain a list of recipients that whom we want to invite. So now what we are going to do is we are creating a list of recipients. So you have to click on here and then you have to click on type new list. We are typing a list and then we will send this letter to those persons only. Okay, now here list means it is just like a table, okay, with entries. So here you will see that so many columns are there: title, first name, last name, company name, these things. Okay, we don't want all these columns, so we can remove extra columns and we can add also. So this title means Mr. or Miss, so we don't want this, so we are just deleting this. So click on delete, it will be deleted. In place of first name we are changing it to name only, so just rename it and remove this first. Okay, name. Okay, wait a second. Fine, so this is changed as name. Last name we don't want, so we are deleting it, so delete it. Company name also we don't want, so we are just deleting it. And address we just want, so we don't want address line 1 and 2, so we are just renaming it or changing its name. So we are just writing a address. Okay, click on OK. So this is address line we don't want, so we are just deleting it. Delete. Okay, city we want, so we just keep it like this. And then state we don't want, we can delete. If you want, then you can keep it like this, and then you have to fill the entries. So these are just the column names, that whatever columns we want we can keep. I'm just deleting other columns because I don't want them in my table. Okay, so just delete them. I'm just taking 3 columns. Okay, delete, and email also I am just deleting it. So now I am having only 3 columns. Then you have to click on OK. If you want to move city above address, then you can move up, and if you want to move this address down, you can move down. And rename means changing the name. If you want to delete, then you can delete. If you want to add something, then you have to click on add, and here you can type the state also. So I am just typing state. Okay, so that you can get an idea. State. So I don't want state to be, come above city, so I just keep it moving down. So state will come here, and then you have to click on OK. Now this is just the table columns. Now we have to fill the values in this table. So I am writing few names. Kabir. Address I am writing 36 Street, Jhotwada. Okay, city Jaipur, state Rajasthan. Like this you have to do the entries. This is the one entry. Now we want new entry, click on new. Now I am writing Mansi. Address you can write anything. Vasant Vihar. Okay, any address you can type. Okay, I am just writing something random values. Okay, Delhi. Okay, next I am writing new entry. Prerna. Address I am writing 7 Shankar Nagar, Nivaru, Jaipur. Okay, like I have done 3 entries. Now I am doing the 4th entry. Rakesh. Okay, I am writing address Shankar Nagar. Then I can write Indore, and state I am writing MP. Okay, like this I have done 4 entries. So I am just taking 4 entries. You can do more entries, and then you have to click on OK. And after clicking OK, you have to save this list at some location. So I am writing it, giving it a name as list. Okay, and then I am saving it on desktop. You can choose any place wherever you want to save. These are the drives you can choose, or you can save it as on desktop also. So I am just writing it and saving it on desktop. So desktop, and then save it. Okay, after saving it, now what I have to do is, if I want to edit the list, then I can go on edit, and then I have to select this list, and then I have to click on edit. So these are the name. If I want to make changes in the name, address, city or state, I can change that, or if I don't want to change, then I have to cancel it. Okay, so this is my list, and I can now I am closing this. Okay, now here you can see this address block. This address block I have just written this thing from the textbook. Okay, now what we have to insert these fields from the list. Okay, so here date is also there. So date, just write down today's date, or you can write like I am writing date is, for example, I am making it on 16th of June. So I am writing 16 June 2020. Okay, so this is the date I am writing here. You can also write now address. Now here I am just deleting this address, and I am just deleting this city. I will take these fields from the table, and title also. In place of title we will write name. So here I am just taking, you have to go here, insert merge field, and then you have to click on address. So this is the address that we are having. From here I will just edit the column. Go on this, edit, address. Okay, fine, it is okay. No, I don't want any changes. I am just cancelling it. Okay, address we have taken. Now next column was city, so I have to insert city also, so I am just writing here city. And after dear I just want the name of the person, so I am just writing name here. Okay, so this you have to insert from here. And if you want to insert some greeting line, you can insert from here dear, and then this way it will show the fields in this letter. Okay, highlight address block, then it will highlight the address. Like this Kabir, it is having Jaipur and Rajasthan is the address of this Kabir. So we have done with this thing. Okay, rules and match fields, these are out of your syllabus, so we are not doing this thing. Now we will preview, we will see the look of this letter. Okay, so you have to click on preview result, and then you have to go here and check. This is the first. Okay, this is the first letter preview one. First name was Kabir, you can leave space here. So first name was Kabir and its address is 36 Street, Jhotwada, Jaipur. Second address was Mansi. So for Mansi, these are the data. It is changing, you can see here. Okay, third is Prerna, fourth is Rakesh. So in this way we can change the letter. So this is a common letter and it will be posted to 4 person. We can take a printout of this and we can send the same letter to different person. So it is just saving our time. So what we are doing now is we have to go on finish and then finish and merge and then print document. So for taking print, I am not having printer connected right now, so I am just not doing that thing. I will just go here, autocorrect and OK. And in this way, now you can see here 3 letters will be generated or 4 letters will be generated. See here, these are the 4 different letters that are generated and with the different names and addresses. You can check here. This is Principal 36 Jhotwada. This is first letter, it is for Kabir. This is second letter, it is for Mansi. This is third letter for Prerna and this is fourth letter for Rakesh. So in this way we can create 4 letters and it is saved with letter 1. You can change the name or you can just save it and then you can take a printout of this. So I am saving it as letters and then select the position desktop and save. So in this way you can save the document. Now I am closing this and this also. I don't want to save this. So see here, this is my final letter and it is having of 4 pages. So in this way you can create the mail merge document, and this is a recipient list. It will not open because it is a different type of file. So this is all about the mail merge practical. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed. Just practice it at your own and you can see the things. Thank you so much. This practical is completed. Just practice it, and if you are having any doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Okay, and like and subscribe my channel.